Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be discussing a problem which is asked in the technical round 2 of Vision technology. So you can see the problem statement on my screen. I'll go through the problem statement, input, output, then I'll discuss the solution of this problem. So the problem statement is given an array of train arrival and departure timing at a railway station. Calculate the minimum number of platforms required to manage all the train arrival and departure. In input, train timings are given, which is 2D array, where it is denoting arrival timing and departure timing. For this given input, the expected output is 2. So I'll discuss about the problem. So this is the problem statement. Now we'll see that what approach we are going to take in order to solve this problem. So let me go to the IntelliJ and I'll start writing solution for this. So here you can see on my screen I have already written the input and a function where I'll write the logic for the problem. So in my main function you can see that I have taken that input, same input which I discussed prior, the train timings, which is a 2D array, and here you can see that the first is the arrival time and second is the departure time. So the expected answer for this given input is 2. So I have written a method find minimum number of platform and I am passing this 2D array. Then I am printing the minimum number of platform, which is n, and n is the value returned by this function, which is find minimum number of platforms. So here will here I will write the code for it, and let's see what approach I am going to take in order to solve this problem. So here in input I am given a train timings, which is 2D array. So first I need to take the length of the array. So let me take a variable n train timings dot length. So this will give you the length of the array. Now I need to take now I will take two array where I will be storing a arrival time of the train and departure time of the train. So I need to declare two array, one for arrival times and one for departure time. So I have taken two array, one for arrival times and one for departure times. Now I will store the arrival times in arrival times array and departure time in departure times array. So to store that in separate array, I need to iterate that array. So I'll take a for loop. I'll run through till n. I'll increment this and then I'll store that in these two array. So arrival time is nothing but the first value in this array. If I take example of the first element in 2D array, which is 600 and 700, so the arrival time is 600 and departure time is 700. So it will be I comma 0 and departure time will be train timings of I comma 1. So now I have arrival times and departure times both in a separate array. So now in order to go ahead, what I need to do is, so since I need to sort the array. So I'll sort arrays dot sort arrival times, and I'll also sort departure times. Now both the array are sorted. So now we need to compare that both the array, and we'll find out that what will be the minimum number of platform that required to manage all the train arrival and departure time. So in order to do that, I need to take two variable. So I'll take I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. So I have taken two variable, and then I need to take platform count and maximum platform as well. So I'll take another two variable. One I'll take platform count. I'll start from 0 and I'll take one max platform. That also I'll start from 0. So now I have declared that required variables which are needed. So I have two variables I and j which are starting from 0, and then I have another two variable platform count and max platform, that is also initialized with 0. So now I'll take one for loop which will run I less than n and I less than j less than n. So now I have three variables. One is I and j, which is initialized to 0, and platform count and max platform count both are initialized to 0. So now we'll do the comparison between the timings and we'll decide that platform is required or not. So I'll take another loop, while loop, that will run till I less than n and j less than n. Now I'll do that comparison between arrival times and departure times. So arrival times of I, if it is less equal to departure times of j, then platform is required. So we'll make that increment in the platform count and we'll increment the I value. If arrival time is greater than departure time, then platform is not required, so we'll decrement the platform count and increment the j value. Now we need to make that max platform value required for managing all the trains. So we'll do max platform equal to math dot max of max platform and platform count, and finally we'll return the max platform. So this is the code I have written. Now we'll see that this is working as expected or not. So let me execute this code. I'll just run this code and see I'm getting the expected output or not. So you see I'm getting that minimum number of platform is 2. So I can modify this message. Minimum number of platform required is n, which is nothing but value returned by the method, and here you can see that I am getting that minimum number of platform required is 2. So this is how I'll be solving this problem, and this problem was asked in the Vision Technology technical round 2. So if someone who is preparing for the interview, you can expect problem like this and prepare accordingly for your interview. I hope that I was able to make you understand the solution of the problem statement. And if you have any other solution or you have any other ways to solve this problem, please let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.